how to invite friends to play game with you in Game Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Game Center. Next, in here, tap on Invite Friends. And then go down the list here. If they are on iPhone, you can tap on Invite. So you can also use the Find Contacts in here and then tap in Contact, so IT Jungles, and then tap on Invite, and then tap on the Send button, and that's it. And here we can just tap on the Invite button to continue inviting other friends to join us and play game with us in Game Center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.